Hey, welcome my YouTube friends. I am Vanessa Peter and welcome to Scrappin' It Up. In this video, I want to show you the Great Escapes Travel Folio that I've been working on, because right now I've got all my tutorials 50% off, and I have this now in my shop, and right now you can get it at 50% off. But I wanted to show you what it looks like and how it's all put together, because in my shop I just have a no picture yet. So, and a lot of you guys have not seen this, and I don't want you guys to miss out on this folio. Okay. I am decorating it with the Great Escapes collection from Simple Stories. And I love the paper. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this album measures 10 by 11. Yes, 10 by 11. I'm sure it will hold well over 125 photos. But I want you guys to see it. So that way, if you guys want to purchase this tutorial before my sale ends, you can. Okay, even if you think you might make it 6 months down the road from now, you can at least purchase it now while it's 50% off, guys. Okay, I'm throwing that out there. All right. So it opens. I use Kraft-tex. Oops. And Kraft cardstock. Okay, so it has a spine here and a pocket here. Okay, and it opens up, and I'm still in the process of trying to come up with something to go here. Now, one thing I want to tell you, when you purchase a tutorial from me, let's say 6 months down from the road, I decide to redo this album. Let's say I want to use chipboard instead of cardstock for the base of the album. Well, if you purchase that tutorial, then when I update this, you're automatically going to get those updates in your inbox too. So just because it's, like this, and I, make an album better and improve it, you will get the updates, whenever, even if it's 2 years down the road and you still have your box account, you will still get the upgraded version. All right. So this is, like I said, a work in progress. I'm still working on it. We're doing live classes on my Facebook page. I'm decorating it. I did not do any construction on Facebook. You have to purchase the tutorial to do the construction, but they are step-by-step videos in there how to put this all together. All right. So you have a middle section and a side section. So let's do the side section real quick. So you have a pocket here, and I do have a booklet. Is this it? Nope, just a sec. Gosh, I should have had that all. Here it is. Here's the booklet. And you open up the little book, and you have a couple of flaps. And you have a pocket here. Wow, never fails, I'm on camera. So you have a pocket here, and a flap, and a flap. Okay, take that out. This fits inside this pocket right here, and it fits right underneath this, right underneath this belly band. Okay, like that. Ain't that beautiful? I love this paper, guys, is gorgeous. So this is, you have a flap here, and I'm not done decorating. I'm not done yet. But I want to show you guys, so that way if you want or would like to make this, at least I want you to purchase the tutorial at 50% off, okay, before all my tutorials go back to regular price. Okay, so we have a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here. Okay, and then that all closes up. And then we have this middle section here. And I have booklets for it too. And by the way, I do purchase this too. That I do have the booklets. It's called the Scrappin's Little Wonder Booklets. It is a tutorial too. And anytime I create a booklet for any album, I will do a quick video and put it inside that tutorial. So that is something else that you can purchase too. And, you know, as long as you stay current with your box account, you know, and you purchase this tutorial, you will always get the updates for the books. So like let's say I make the recipe folio that's coming up here real soon. And I know there's going to be a couple of booklets in there. I will throw those booklets inside that tutorial, and when you purchase, you will always get updated booklets, okay? So it's a great way if you made an album and you're thinking, crap, now what am I going to put in this book? Oh yeah, I purchased Vanessa's tutorial on booklets. I'll go in there and choose a booklet to go with my album. So they will be all, you know, shapes, sizes, you know, and contain different things. So yeah, you can purchase that right now at 50% off too. Okay, how I designed this. You have a small, a medium, and a large. Okay, we have a small pocket here. And that goes right in there. And I'll show you here in just a sec. Well, here, you guys need to see the booklets. So you open it up, you have a pocket, it flips, you have a flap, and you have another flap, and a flap, and a flap. All right. So then this one goes in the medium one. And I should have took my little sticky notes off. And then here's the large one that goes in the large one, okay? So, that will look like that when you get done. Okay, so it would just, you know, pull out and you look at it and then you just put it right back in. And I got to fussy cut it just a little bit more. But I done that during my live last night, but I got to fussy cut it. I need to fussy cut that. Oh, am I staying on camera? This has been pretty tough to stay on camera. So then you have a belly band here, and I'll probably just put plain old photo mats here because I don't want it to be that bulky. So probably just a couple of plain photo mats, and I just, you know, collage some of the stickers and the bits and pieces from the collection. Oh, this collection, guys, is love it, love it. So then that flips. And then you have a pocket here, okay? Then that opens up. And I left that unglued so you could put your photo right there. Beautiful. So then you have this. And we was running a little tight on paper, so I'm doing a little bit of with cardstock and bits and pieces left from the collection. And then these flip open. And then, of course, that's your booklet that you pull out. Okay. And then this opens. And guess what? It opens again. And then you have a pocket here. So that little booklet that you made to go underneath that belly band can go right here. And then we have a little tuck spot right here. But I wanted to show you guys this just in case you would like to order it while it is 50% off. I wanted to offer that to you guys. And it's, I mean, the videos are in there to construct it. I'm putting my Facebook Lives in there, how I'm decorating it. I still got to work out how I'm going to do this here. So whenever I get it figured out, I will get the videos uploaded, okay? But this is our Great Escapes Folio. And then it will have just a little bit of a different closure for this one. Nobody has seen it yet. I know how I'm going to do it, but I didn't want to get it done till we finished the folio. And I probably will too. When we're all done with this, I will probably make one out of chipboard and see how it goes. So yeah, that's probably, I will probably do that. And that recipe album that's coming up too, that I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make, I'm making it out of cardstock and Kraft-tex. But I can see it in the future that I will probably do both these projects with some chipboard. So if you purchase a tutorial, you will always get the updated, you know, if I update it or add something or change the cutting guide, you will always get the updated versions, guys. Okay, no matter if it's, you know, 2 years, 5 years down the road. Once you purchase it, you will always get the upgrades. So remember, all my tutorials are 50% off right now. I do have the Small Wonders, Scrappin Small Wonders booklets. You can purchase that too, and whenever I make the booklets for albums, I will always throw those into that file, and you will always have access to them, okay? And some of these booklets, guys, can be standalone projects. Like this one here can hold 25 photos. It's the one that has the flaps, and then the pocket, flap, and flap. So this can be a standalone little folio. So a lot of those booklets that I'm putting in there can be standalone little booklets, folios. They make nice gifts for someone. So yeah, go to my website, scrappinitup.com. Get signed up on my email list so you never miss out. Yeah. So, hey guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. More to come. Like I said, the recipe album is coming up. I will be teaching you guys how to make that from start to finish. And that will be here in a couple of weeks. So, okay. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.